fish. Hey, fishy, fishy, fishy. Watch out, I gotta get fishing. Oh no. All right, we're gonna catch a fish. Watch, we're gonna catch a fish. Yep, there we go. Uh-oh. Coach, help. Can you see it? It's pretty. Hold on, Bubba. Oh.
Where's it going? You won't see that.
Fishy. Was that a good one?
Mm-hmm. Thank Tyler do it. If you ain't scared to do it, Clarence is over here. He's well, you're right. See, that's why no conscience. I'm worried about is that if I go to pull it and it doesn't come out.
Oh
Yeah, you got it.
Oof. Ooh, got a bite. Got a fish. Hey, fishy, fishy, fishy.
That's a good one on the Ultralight.
You see it? Fishy, fishy, fishy. Hey, now.
Oh, no. He good. I bent it back. You want him?
No.
You're going to catch all the fish out of here.
Watch, this is about to be a fish. Fish, fish. Fish.
Finally.
Just to clarify, I was talking about your cast was going to be a fish. Hey, fishy. Hey, fishy.
Look at his little bitty mouth.
Good fishy. That ain't no biggin. Why can I not cast? Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's a stupid bass. A little bass.
You holding it?
Mm-mm.
Here. Can you throw that?
Mm-hmm.
You sure? You caught it. There you go.